Hi, welcome to Leh. The moment the flight reaches the Himalayan region, the views are astonishing. These mighty mountains towered over the thick clouds, and as we got closer, we saw more and even taller peaks. After reaching Leh, I had to acclimatize for 3 days and then take off to Chadar trek. One of the biggest challenges in Chadar trek is cold. The temperature can drop up until -35. The best time to do the Chadar trek is January to February. Trekking on the frozen Zanskar River, which lies in the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh, is definitely a unique experience. Chadar trek is one of in a lifetime experience. We started the trek from a place called Bakula, through the beautiful valleys and glimpses of the Indus or the Zanskar River. The mesmerizing moment was when we reached Nerak village. This route will take you through an enchanting frozen waterfall. Camp was Shingrakoma and followed by Tip Cave. You will be surrounded by beautiful cliffs and snow that will allure your senses. Preparing yourself for this trekking expedition. In case if you're thinking of Chadar trek, you'll have to prepare your body and mind well in advance before taking up this adventure. So if you're planning to step in your trekking shoes, this trek will be a once in a lifetime experience. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe.